Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing the BoxyLuxe unboxing for March, right? Or March. They just sent me the BoxyLuxe this time instead of the regular Boxycharm, which is fine. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm sitting in a little bit of a different spot because I just wanted to like relax. I didn't feel like doing the whole setup. You guys can see I kind of look like crap. It was a long weekend night, and don't mind the terrible self tanner, and it doesn't match my face and everything's a hot mess, but that's fine. Whatever. So I'm gonna leave a link down below for Boxycharm. My link is gonna be changing next month. So it's still the same link this month, but next month it's changing to a link that has my name in it. Nothing else is changing. I get $5 if you guys sign up for Boxycharm with my link, regardless of whether it's this one or the new one. Just to let you guys know in case you notice that the link has changed. So the first thing that I wanted to go over, I don't know what it's called, so I'm trying to find it on the sheet. Oh, it's just, I was gonna say, because it didn't have a name or a brand, and I guess it's because it's Boxycharm brand. It's Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. An exclusive, oh, wait, that's not what this is. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see this in here. Ah, what is going on? It's like ringing like a bell in there. Okay, so this is the Boxycharm Hello Charmers exclusive palette. I didn't even see this in here. Oh my gosh, interesting. So this is a full palette with a mirror. Oh my god, these shades are really interesting. I don't know how they came up with this. See that? Look at how sparkly this one is and the blue one up here. Wow, I'm trying to give you guys a good look of the colors. Very interesting. Oh, and it's like an iridescent glitter too. Okay. So that's interesting. I'm gonna do a full look with this in a separate video. Look at how pigmented that is. I don't know if you can even see because it's not focusing on my finger. Wow, these are actually super pigmented swatches. I'm just swatching. Oh, I'm like wiping this on my clothes, and I just took the stuff out of the washer. I have a problem. Like when I film, I'm like, super interesting shade range. I mean, I really like the neutral shades they've got going on here, and I really like this color here. I feel like it's a very unique cranberry shade. And then these ones are just very random, so I'm not really sure what we're gonna get out of this, but I will do a separate video with doing a makeup tutorial with this. Now, the price that they've got this listed for is $39. And now let me find the one that I was trying to show you before. This is, oh, it's the Zoeva Premier Blush Palette. So this is $19. So what, we're at like, what are we at? We are at $60 already just with the two palettes. Okay, so this is the packaging of this one. A little boring, but that's fine. And these are the colors. Very muted down blush tones, and a very like dark gold that could be used as a highlighter on a darker skin tone. Would look really good. This blush shade is my favorite. These are the only kind of blush shades really that I wear, are like the darker mauvey ones. And then this one here, I don't think I would use the shimmery one. It's just not something that I don't typically wear, like shimmery blushes, but I do like this shade. Other than that, this isn't really a palette that I would use, but if you have maybe a darker skin tone, these would complement you a lot more. And the actual palette itself, I like. Blush palettes like from Tarte and other brands usually are like so big and bulky, and they're like usually made with like glass. This is like a nice teeny tiny little thin cardboard palette, lightweight, easy to transport. So that's something that I really like about this. Okay, now let me grab these brushes because they keep making like ding ding sounds. This is Bombshell Baker. Wait, is it even brushes? Bombshell Baker Glitzy Gold Stainless Steel Straw Set. It's not brushes. Oh my gosh, straws, yay! Enjoy your favorite beverage while looking good and being environmentally friendly with this 5-piece straw set for $21. That's a lot for straws. Wait, why do I feel like mine doesn't have 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5-piece because it's 5 straws and 1 cleaner, maybe? Because it comes with a brush cleaner. I think that this is actually the coolest thing that they could have put in Boxycharm, to be completely honest with you, because it is environmentally friendly. And I know, kind of like myself, there's probably a lot of people out there who want to be environmentally friendly, but they don't even think about stuff like this when we're shopping to actually get it. And the fact that it comes with the brush too, so that we literally, that's like really hard to fit in though. Oh wait. Oh my god, it's stuck. That's really hard to get in there. I guess it'll clean it good. But I just don't think about getting stuff like this when I'm at the grocery store, but the fact that now that I have it, and I mean, I do have some of these already at home from like gifts and stuff, from like stocking stuffers, but either way, now that like I have 4 of these, that makes it way easier and they're right at hand. So I think that's cool that Boxycharm is using their platform to get that stuff out to people. I really like that. I think it's a good way for them to make money, and it's a good way to help the environment. So the next thing is the Sponge Gel Body Wash Infused Buffer. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. They change instantly underwater as you squeeze, from a sensual exfoliating massage texture to soft as silk. The technology provides a guaranteed number of 14 plus washes with this for $16. So it sounds like it's really abrasive and like exfoliating, and then once you get it wet, it turns super soft and you could just use it to wash your body. Yay! So this is what it looks like. It smells really good. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. And it just looks like a sponge texture. And I can definitely see right now, it doesn't feel abrasive, but it feels hard, so you could exfoliate. And then I guess when it gets wet, then you just wash with it. So I think that's actually a really cool concept too. I think $16 is kind of expensive if it's not permanent. Like you can only use it like however many times. It smells really good. I'm excited to use that. I love bath products, like shower products is something that I really love. It looks like another one kind of. So this is the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. 7,000 vibrations per minute. Sonic Glow technology ensures a deep cleanse and lifts, firms, and tones areas for a more youthful appearance. This is $99. It's freaking crazy, you guys. So let me take it out. It's funny, I've had a few products like this over time. Like I had the really popular one that went around. What was that called? Spin brush, like the Sonic spin brush or whatever it was called. I had one that was similar to this, like it was a little rubber one. It was actually just like this, but you fit it in your hand. And that one literally was like not this expensive, but right now it's dead. So it comes with a battery. I don't really like that. I wish that you could just plug it in to charge it, because I never have batteries. But for some reason, I feel like I do have a pack of batteries in my house somewhere. I can't remember why or where. It matches my nails. Love that for me. Very, very soft bristles. Very, very soft. So it would be a good exfoliating tool. I'm not sure what the back ripples are supposed to be for. It doesn't look like it came with any... It didn't even come with any instructions. It just says what it says on the back. Customizable for all skin types. Anti-aging. Use twice daily to clean your skin. So I guess you're really supposed to be using it to like, I don't know, after you take off your makeup. Oh, the back part, it says it's to massage in serum. So maybe after you wash your face, then you put a serum on and massage it in. So I do like that. It's very easy to use, kind of a compact size. The next thing that I see is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm happy about this. This is also $70. Super expensive. We're starting to get up there in the skincare, which is something that I appreciate from the BoxyLuxe boxes, to be honest with you. I don't spend a whole lot of money on skincare, but I need it, so I like that they put it in there. Hyaluronic acid and algae extract to seal in moisture, helping reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. I tell you guys all the time, I have such dry skin, like it like flakes off around my forehead and my eyebrows. Okay, I'm sorry about that. My memory card got full and I had to go through some hoops. So the NARS lipstick is a super dark shade, like more of a wintry shade. Sorry, I don't know if my vlog camera's focusing. I see why it says precision, because I see how tight and tiny this wand is to make it super easy. Ew, clear liquid just shot out of there, so I would shake it up before using it. Okay, let's see. The last two products are Brazilian Bum Bum Cream products. So, Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum and Coco Cabana Cream Duo, $15. The Bum Bum Cream helps tighten the appearance of skin with pistachio and salted caramel scent, and the body cream provides 72 hours of hydration with young green coconut cream, tropical orchid, and toasted praline. So, I've actually never used these. I have a lot of them because my sister used to give me some, and then we got them a lot in Boxycharm. I've just never used them, not for any particular reason. So, I need to start using them, especially when the summer comes. Oh my god, it smells like cocoa butter. It smells so good. Yum. I love stuff like this. I don't know why I haven't used them. I don't even have a reason. I am very, very happy with this month's BoxyLuxe. I think it's such a good combination of skincare and makeup and good stuff. Like, I'm not the biggest fan of that blush palette, but I think for certain skin tones it would be perfect, and then the way that it was put together was really smart. I'm also, like, I don't use facial brushes like that much, but it's great for people who do, you know what I mean? It's an expensive product, and it's very simple, not complex, and it's very soft and easy on the skin, so anybody can use it. So I'm really happy with the box this month. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think, and let me know what colors you'd like me to do first in a tutorial with this palette, because it's very unique. We're gonna have to decide what we want to do. Okay, leave me a comment down below, please thumbs up this video, and I will talk to you guys down below. Bye.